Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to PEIPEI update today. And right now the coin is moving sideways. It's actually making a consolidation. And what is going to happen next? Well, now first of all, I've seen that the falling wedge was there. Okay, so the falling wedge still is suggesting that at some point we're actually meant to go up here. Like the technical target of the falling wedge is back up from where you actually came from, and that's actually, I don't know based on what's going to be the price here, but I can actually say that this is where you actually meant to go back from. Now whatever the price is going to be, you may take the profit as well, but the thing is that you still are meant to come back up here on the RSI, right? Now at the moment, what I am going to say is the following. So I'm just going to take a trend line and I'm going to drop a trend line here, because we have been failing to break above that trend line, and eventually I do think you must be breaking from this trend line. So number one is maybe there's a little bit of a squeeze that is going to happen, and I'm going to drag these lines to see what is the maximum time. So you do have resistance, 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 support, support, and yeah, so if you just continue like this, then you probably are looking for maximum time until 16, and you're going to get a pop. Maybe from here you go back and break to the upside. I'm going to give you a technical target. So if you end up breaking above, then I think you're looking for 2258 from 1698, and that's going to be a price move of nearly 31% to the upside. Previously on Discord, on private, I have been able to win a 41% win from Luna Classic, which I was entering some few days ago. So taking advantages of a trade before time can actually be proved good, because this was 5th on August and today's like 10 or 11. And yeah, there was a lot of technical analysis that I had to do on Luna Classic and enter the trade. But yes, even for this coin here, what you can even plan is the following. Maybe if you do get a little bit of a one more drop down, this could be a good entry, right? Because that's where you have support. I mean, okay, I'm just helping you out. This may not be a good idea to enter because that's the resistance. But if it comes down again, that can actually be a good idea, expecting it to break up and go up, right? Of course, you're going to put in some stop losses down there and try your luck. But I will say, if you want to try your luck, be a little bit smart and let it come a little bit down, or maybe just have a nice good clear breakout and then buy at the retest. So these are two options: buy at the retest when it breaks, or maybe comes down and then buy right over there. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.